So on today's video, oh, caught him slipping. We are gonna be
wrapping the chrome,
doing a little chrome delete on the SI, getting rid of that ugly chrome color. So you guys can all see right there.
Got some of that waterless wash. You know, gotta get in the little cavities. Was it?
Cavities, or yeah, whatever, in the little grooves.
Yeah. So what I'm doing is just cleaning the little sides. You know, getting the little. What is this? That rubber.
Well, make sure you don't rip your rubbers.
So I'm trying to do the best I can, as clean as I can. Because you know, as you guys know, we wrap here.
Calls extra super duper wrap bros premium.
So we got some extra wrap laying around, so we're like, why not? Let's just do that. Let's just wrap the thing. And we're also doing his brakes today. So
we don't want to bore you guys with a brake job again, so we're gonna do both. Well, we're gonna focus more on this one, and then this one's gonna be in the back, but we'll show you guys how
today's more like a install / vlog type of thing, you know. So we're just, you know, doing our thing, you know, amateur racing stuff.
But yeah, that's pretty much what we're gonna try and do today. So while we have the paint drying, we're gonna be working on the chrome delete, and we'll show you guys how to do that. Alright, first things first, gotta take your roll and measure out each little piece. That way you're not dealing with a whole lot of wrap.
I know.
So that's the first thing we're gonna do. Measure out our pieces, and then we're gonna lay them on there. Alright guys, we got the surface nice and cleaned. We got our wrap right here.
Cut the strips.
Yeah, got some nice strips all up in here.
Doesn't have to be perfect.
Boom, look at that. And don't worry if it doesn't fit properly or whatever, we'll just bend it when we're installing it, and we should be pretty good.
Alright, so
alright, let's get to it. Alright, quick little update. Got that chrome nice and covered up already. Looking clean. Just waiting on Jose to finish up his side. I don't know what's taking so long, but he'll get it done eventually, and then we'll show you both sides. Oh, all of a sudden, look who decided to come back to work. But yeah, we'll go ahead and finish that other side, and then that should do it. All right, here we got Jose working on his side. Oh, what the? Exposed. Check out his wrap job, exposed. But yeah, he's getting that dialed in. Just needs that piece. Yeah, or the other piece too.
Just gonna cut some edges up.
Oh yeah, you just gotta finish cutting.
Yeah, and then
he'll be pretty solid. And
I haven't done a wrap in a cool minute.
Oh, we caught him slipping.
So I'm a little rusty.
I mean, we did wrap his hood. Oh, just kidding. But yeah, and then we got the Subi over here. Oh, can't see those. Let's go on the front. Oh, got that Hot Boy red on them too. There's one side over here. Boom! Hot Boy red all over the place. But yep, that's what we're up to right now. We just need to hit that with the gloss clear coat, and that should be good. Let it dry, put the wheels back on, drop it, boom, Hot Boy. And then, oh, another Hot Boy.
Ay, perdón.
What the fuck? Anyways, oh, we already got one certified Hot Boy over here. Oh, there you go, Hot Boy, certified. But yeah, certified amateur racer. Got that nice black, gloss black chrome delete. can't really tell because it's dark, but you'd be able to tell in the daylight. Alright, quick little update, and then we'll follow on back whenever he's done with that side. Alright, that's pretty much all we're gonna do for today's video.
Got it done.
Boom, got the hot boy brakes done, and then we're gonna go over here. Oh, you probably can't see it, it's too dark. You got your flashlight, bro?
I don't work.
Oh, hold up, I'll pull up my phone real quick. Boom. And then we got that
Chrome delete.
We got the chrome delete. Oh, obviously you guys can't see how it looks right now. You probably have to see it in the sun, so maybe for next video. But we got the brakes done over here, all 4 of them. Nice and hot boy, matches the mud flaps and the little emblem right here. But another midnight install, unfortunately. Unfortunately, we need to stop doing these. Jose's a bad influence, he takes too long.
Whatever.
But that's gonna do it for today's video, guys. Remember, giveaway on Friday. Today's Wednesday, for you guys Thursday, so Friday, 2 more days, and then we'll do that giveaway on Friday, and we should be pretty good to go.
Yeah, should be good.
Keep subscribing. Whoever hasn't, keep subscribing. You still got an opportunity. Subscribe, follow us.
2 more days.
2 more days, follow
Or
us.
1.
My page, his page, it's all down below. Yeah, follow, subscribe, like. Oh, and comment down below what build we should start at 1K, or not at 1K, but after 1K subs.
Yep.
We're gonna try and get a build going, but we'll see how that goes. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for today. Peace out, and always keep improving.